வணக்கம். வாழ்க வளமுடன். Maths is not difficult. கணிதம் கடினம் அல்ல. Regular practice, periodical test, self-evaluation is the way to reach 200 of 200 in the public examination. முயற்சி பிரிவினையாக்கம், முயற்சியின்மை இம்மை புகுத்திவிடும் வள்ளுவர் வாய்மொழிக்கேற்ப முயற்சி செய்வோம், வெற்றி அடைவோம். Already we completed up to absolute maximum and minimum in exercise number 5.9. Today the most important topic in differential calculus, that is local maximum and local minimum. இடம் சார்ந்த பெருமம், இடம் சார்ந்த குரும மதிப்புகளை கண்டுபிடிப்பதை பற்றி இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். The stepwise procedure for local maximum and local minimum. Local maximum or local minimum. Step number 1, given f of x. Step number 2, find f dash of x. Step number 3, f dash of x equal to 0, that is x equal to x1, x2 are critical numbers. Step number 4, find f double dash of x. Step number 5, f double dash of x1. If it is positive, function is minimum at x is equal to x1. If you want to find out minimum value, that is f of x1. Sixth one, f double dash of x2 is less than 0. Function is maximum at x is equal to x2. Maximum value, that is f of x2. Once again listen. Up to this we completed in critical number. Then find second derivative. Substitute x1 in second derivative. If it is positive, function is minimum at x is equal to x1. If you want to find out minimum value, substitute x1 in f of x1. F double dash of x2 is less than 0. Function is maximum at x is equal to x2. The maximum value is f of x2. The next, shall we go to the exercise number 5.9, sum number 3, subdivision number 1. Once again, you have to go through the procedure. If you know the procedure, solving the problem is nothing. What is the first problem? I'll do it sum number 1, 2 and 5. Remaining will try. First one. What is first one? F of x is equal to x cube minus x. What is second step? F dash of x. What is f dash of x? 3x square minus 1. What is the next step? F dash of x equal to 0. That means 3x square minus 1 equal to 0. X square equal to 1 by 3. X is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. That is critical number. This is called a critical number. Next, what we have to do? F double dash of x. What is f double dash of x? Once again differentiate f dash of x. 3x square differentiation is 6x. F double dash of 1 by root 3. That is 6 into 1 by root 3. That is 6 by root 3. Is it positive or negative? Positive. Therefore, function is minimum at x is equal to 1 by root 3. Then find out minimum value. That is f of 1 by root 3. F of 1 by root 3 is 1 by root 3 cube minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 cube means root 3 into root 3 into root 3, that is 3 root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Taking LCM and simplify, will get minus 2, 3 root 3. 3 root 3 LCM, 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. This is minimum value. Next, you have to verify for x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. F double dash of minus 1 by root 3, that is minus 6 by root 3, is negative. Therefore, function is maximum at x is equal to minus 1 by root 3. If you want to find out maximum value, f of minus 1 by root 3, minus 1 by root 3 cube is minus 1 by 3 root 3. Minus of minus 1 by root 3 is plus 1 by root 3. Taking LCM and simplify, 2, 3 root 3. This is maximum value, this is minimum value. Once again, listen. F of x, find f dash of x. F dash of x equal to 0, x square equal to 1 by 3, x is equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3, f double dash of x equal to 6x, f double dash of plus 1 by root 3 is 6, 1 by root 3, 6 by root 3, this is positive. Second derivative, positive means function is minimum at x is equal to 1 by root 3, then minimum value, then f double dash of minus 1 by root 3 is minus 6 by root 3. Function is maximum because its second derivative negative means function is maximum. If you want to find out maximum value, substitute this value in f of x, simplify, will get the result. Clear? Any doubts? Shall we go to next problem? So now you know the procedure. Sum number 2. What is f of x? F of x is equal to 2x cube plus 5x square minus 4x. What is f dash of x? 6x square plus 10x minus 4. What is the next step? F dash of x equal to 0, 6x square, 10x minus 4 equal to 0, 3x square plus 5x minus 2 equal to 0, factorize, product is minus 6, difference is 5, 3x square, 6x minus x minus 2 equal to 0, 3x common, x plus 2 minus 1 common, x plus 2 equal to 0, 3x minus 1, x plus 2 equal to 0, x is equal to 1 by 3, x is equal to minus 2. Now, f double dash of x, 6x square differentiation is 12x plus 10. Next, substitute these values. These are the critical numbers. Substitute this critical number in f double dash. F double dash of 1 by 3, that is 12 into 1 by 3, 4 plus 10, 14, positive. Therefore, function is minimum at x is equal to 1 by 3. If you want to find out minimum value, substitute in f of x. Minimum value, that is f of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 cube is 1 by 27 plus 5, 1 by 3 square is 1 by 9 minus 4 by 3. What is LCM? 27. 2. How many 9s are 27? 3 9s are 27. That's why 15. 9 3s are 27. That's why 9 4s are 36. 17 minus 36. 17 minus 36 is minus 19. Minus 19 by 27, that is minimum value, f of 1 by 3. Next, you have to verify for x is equal to minus 2, f double dash of minus 2. F double dash of minus 2 means minus 24 plus 10 minus 14 less than 0. Function is maximum at x is equal to minus 2. You know how to find out the maximum value. Maximum value, that is f of minus 2. 2 into minus 2 cube is minus 8. 5 into minus 2 square is 4. Minus 4 into minus 2. Minus 16 plus 20 plus 8. 28 minus 16, that is 12. So, maximum value 12, minimum value minus 19 by 17. Minus 19 by 17. Once again, see the procedure. F of x, f dash of x, f dash of x equal to 0. Then 6x square plus 10x minus 4 equal to 0. Throw out divided by 2. Factorize and simplify, will get this result. Find the second derivative, once again differentiate this equation, then simplify, will get the same result. F double dash of 1 by 3 positive, function is minimum. Minimum value means substitute 1 by 3 in the problem. Same way, substitute minus 2 in second derivative, negative, that's why maximum value. Same way you have to solve all the problems. Next, sum number 3, same type, you will try. Sum number 4, somewhat difficult, I will do it. Fourth one, f of x is equal to x square minus 1 whole cube. What is the first step? F dash of x, 3 x square minus 1 whole square, x square differentiation is 2x, that is 6x into x square minus 1 whole square. F dash of x equal to 0, that means x is equal to 0, x square minus 1 equal to 0, x square equal to 1, x is equal to plus or minus 1, x equal to minus 1, 0, plus 1 are what type of numbers? Critical numbers, or otherwise 0, plus or minus 1 are critical numbers. F dash of x equal to 0 means this equal to 0, 0 means x square, 0 means x square minus 1 equal to 0, x square equal to 1, x is equal to plus or minus 1. What is the next step? F double dash of x. Here only careful. 6 common. This is in the form of uv. X, 2x square minus 1, differentiation of x square is 2. U into differentiation of v, plus v into differentiation of u, x differentiation is 1. 6, 4x square into x square minus 1 plus x square minus 1 whole square. No need to simplify. First I have to verify for x is equal to 0, that's the x values. F double dash of 0, 6, 0 into any number 0, plus 0 minus 1 square is 1, 6, positive. Therefore, function is minimum at x is equal to 0. When we substitute x is equal to 0 in second derivative, the answer is positive. Therefore, function is minimum at x equal to 0, minimum value that is f of 0 equal to minus 1, because 0 minus 1 is minus 1 cube is minus 1. Next, f double dash of put plus or minus 1, because all the terms square, plus 1 minus 1 does not affect the result. So when we put x is equal to 1 or minus 1, this becomes 0, this also becomes 0, f double dash 0. F double dash 0 means the second derivative test gives no information about extreme. Second derivative test gives no information about extreme value at x is equal to plus or minus 1. Careful, f of x கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, f dash of x differentiate பண்ற அதே procedure தான். f dash of x equal to 0 போறீங்க, x is equal to 0 plus or minus 1, f double dash of x once again differentiate using UV method, multiply, will get this result. The critical numbers are 0 and plus or minus 1. When we put 0, 6 greater than 0, function is minimum at x equal to 0, minimum value f of 0 equal to minus 1. When we put plus or minus 1, f double dash is 0, f double dash 0 means there is no information about extreme. If it is positive minimum, negative maximum, we can't say that either it is a maxima or minima. Is it clear? Same way do the remaining problems. One more problem, that is sine square theta, f of theta, that is sum number 5. In trigonometry, I will do it one problem. F of theta equal to sine square theta. Then f dash of theta, limit is given 0, 5, 0, 5. Whenever closed interval is given, write one line, that is enough. F of theta is continuous on the closed interval 0, 5. Then f dash of theta, 2 sine theta, differentiation of sine theta is cos theta. F dash of theta equal to 0. 2 sine theta cos theta means sine 2 theta equal to 0. Sine 2 theta equal to, 2 sine theta cos theta, write one more step, sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta equal to 0 means 2 theta equal to 0, pi to pi. That is theta equal to 0 by 2, pi by 2, pi. So these are the concept already we studied, that's why no need to explain. These are the what type of numbers? Critical number. Then f double dash of theta. Sine 2 theta differentiation is cos 2 theta into 2. That is 2 cos 2 theta. This is the value of f double dash of theta. Cos 2 theta into 2. Listen carefully. 0, pi by 2, pi. Differentiate, you will get this result. First I have to verify for 0. When we substitute 0, what happened? F double dash of 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 into 2 is 2, positive, function is minimum at theta equal to 0, minimum value, that is f of 0, sine 0 is 0. When we substitute pi by 2, f double dash of pi by 2, 2 pi by 2 is pi, cos pi value is minus 1, that is minus 2, negative, function is maximum at theta equal to pi by 2. When we substitute pi by 2, f of pi by 2 equal to 1 square equal to 1. Next, I will consider pi, f double dash of pi, that is cos 2 pi, once again 2 positive function is minimum. At theta equal to pi, minimum value, that is 0. Therefore, maximum value is 1, minimum value is 0. In this case 0, here also 0. Therefore, absolute minimum value is 0. Therefore, local maximum is 1, local minimum is 0. இடம் சார்ந்த பெரும மதிப்பு 1, இடம் சார்ந்த குரும மதிப்பு சிறும மதிப்பு 1, 0. இதுல வேற ஒண்ணும் இல்லப்பா, f of theta, f dash of theta, f dash of theta equal to 0, f double dash of theta equal to 0 போறீங்க, கண்டுபிடிங்க, சிம்பிளை பண்ணுங்க, get the results. Clear? அதுக்கு அடுத்தது application of maxima and minima. Application problems. In application problems, what are the techniques we have to follow? The step number 1, understand the problem. What is the problem given? Step number 1, understand the problem. Step number 2, with help of the given data, draw the diagram. Draw the diagram. Step number 3, with help of draw the diagram, introduce the notations, letters. Introduce the notations. Step number 4, this is what type of problem? Is a maxima or minima? Express one terms in terms of other. Shall we go to the problem? Exercise number 5.10. Repeatedly they will ask one 10-mark question. I solved the exercise problems. Exercise sum of the problem 6 mark. I will solve all the 10-mark problem in exercise. 6 mark, same method you have to go through. Sum number 1 and 2 most probably same. I will do it first one. Same way I will try second one. 1 and 2, 3, 4 most probably same. I will do it 3 and 4. Try 1 and 2. Question number 3. Before 3, sum number 1 and 2, I will do it 1. Find two numbers whose sum is 100, whose product is maximum. Question பாருங்க. Find the two numbers. We don't know the two numbers. இரண்டு எண்களின் கூடுதல் 100. Let the two numbers are, exercise number 5.10. Let the two numbers are x and y. What is the first condition given? Whose sum is 100. X plus y equal to 100. Now we can write y is equal to 100 minus x. Next, what is the data given? To prove product is maximum. Which is maximum? Product is maximum. Product means xy. Product, that's why I'll consider P equal to xy. P means P of x. X because y convert in terms of x, 100 minus x. P of x is equal to 100x minus x square. After that, what we solved, In previous exercise, same method, equation. What is the next step? P dash of x. 100x differentiation is 100 minus 2x. P dash of x equal to 0, x is equal to 50. Then find P double dash of x minus 2. Positive or negative? Negative. Therefore, product is maximum. Product is maximum when x is equal to 50. But what we have to find out? So, y. What is y? Y is equal to 100 minus 50, that equal to 50. Therefore, the two numbers are 50, 50. Let the two numbers we don't know, that's why x and y. Whose sum of these two numbers is 100. So x plus y equals 100 means what is y? 100 minus x. P means product equal to x into y. P of x equal to x. P of y 100 minus x multiply, get the equation. After that, it is very easy. P dash of x equal to 100 minus px. P dash of x equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 50. P double dash of x, once again differentiate minus 2 less than 0. Therefore, product is maximum when x is equal to 50, y equal to 100 minus 50. The two numbers are 50. Second sum, the two positive numbers are xy, whose product is 100. xy equal to 100. Now, what is y? 100 by x. Whose sum is minimum? Sum means x plus y. X plus 100 by x. That is the problem. After that, you know how to solve s dash of x. S dash of x equal to 0. Find s double dash of x. Substituting s double dash of x. Positive means minimum, negative means maximum. Then find out the x and y. So, sum number 2 will try. Now, I'll go to sum number 3. Sum number 3 என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க. Read the question carefully. So that all the rectangle is given. Rectangle என்ற வார்த்தையை பார்த்தீங்கன்னாவே you know the two dimensions. One is length, another one is breadth. So that all the rectangles with given area is given. We don't know area, that's why I'll consider A. Area is given. One with smallest perimeter. If perimeter is smallest, then rectangle becomes square. Here, what are the data given? X is length of rectangle. What is Y? Breadth of rectangle. A, area of rectangle. L, perimeter of rectangle. Total length, perimeter of the rectangle. So these are the data given. இதுல இது எதுவுமே கொடுக்கல, எது மட்டும் தான் given? Area of the rectangle is given. What is area of rectangle? X into y, length into breadth equal to A. What is y? A by x. Next, what we have to do? Perimeter. Perimeter means length L. 2x, x plus x, y plus y. 2x plus 2y. But you have to change y in terms of x. That's why L of x. 2x plus 2a by x. Equation number 1. After that, you know the procedure for local maxima and local minima. What is the procedure? L of x தெரியுமா? அடுத்த ஸ்டெப் என்னப்பா நம்ம போட்ட ஞாபகம் இருக்கா? Very good. L dash of x. 2x differentiation is 2. Already I told x means power 1, it goes to numerator minus 1, that is minus 2a by x. What is the next step? L dash of x equal to 0. பைல x இருந்தா இந்த பவர் 1னா மேல போகும்போது minus 1 into 2a minus 2a by x. 2 equal to 2a by x square. X square equal to a. X is equal to plus or minus root a. Length and breadth of rectangle always positive. Therefore, x is equal to root a. X is equal to minus root a, not admissible. Because length can't be negative. Negative இருந்துச்சுன்னா rectangle வர முடியாதுயா. Positive. So x is equal to root a is a critical number. Next, what we have to do? Find the second derivative. Second derivative என்ன சொல்றாங்க பாருங்க. That is differentiation of 2 is 0. That is 2 into minus 2a is 4a by x cube. 4a by x cube. Therefore, x double dash of root a, that is 4a by root a cube. 4a by root a cube. That is L double dash of root a is equal to 4a. Root a cube is a root a. That is 4 by root a. Is it positive or negative? Positive. Positive means perimeter is smallest. Perimeter is smallest. When x is equal to root a. But they ask dimensions of the rectangle. We know length, you have to find out breadth. Y is equal to a by root a equal to root a. Therefore, length equal to breadth equal to root a. If length and breadth of rectangle is same, then rectangle becomes square. For the first step, it is a rectangle. X, just I'll consider length of rectangle, y breadth of rectangle, area is given. Area of rectangle is given. That's why I'll put 1 square. L means perimeter of rectangle. Area means length into breadth. Xy equal to a, y equal to a by x. Length is equal to 2x plus 2y. So perimeter means 2 length plus 2 plus 2x plus 2y, 2x plus 2a by x. But how you got 2a by x, y equal to a by x, just substitute. L dash of x means differentiate. L dash of x equal to 0, 2 equal to 2a by x square equal to a, x is equal to plus or minus root a. Then x is equal to root a and x is equal to minus root a. Length can't be negative, that's why root a. We have to find out the second derivative. That is differentiation of 2 is 0, minus 2a by x square differentiation. 2 goes to numerator, minus 2 into minus 2a plus 4a by x cube. X is root a cube. That is L double dash of root a is 4a by a root a, that is 4 by root a. Perimeter is smallest when x is equal to root a. Y equal to a by root a is root a, x is equal to y equal to root a. Therefore, length and breadth are equal, therefore, rectangle becomes square. This is 10 mark question. ரொம்ப சுலபமா வாங்கிடலாம். சரியா? அடுத்த 10 mark question, sum number 4. So that all rectangles with given perimeter, one with the greatest area is square. Same concept, but given perimeter. Perimeter is given. You have to find out the area. The same perimeter is given. என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா பெரிமீட்டர் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. You have to find out the perimeter given. L is equal to 2x plus 2y. What is 2y? L minus 2x. What is y? L by 2 minus 2. Sorry, 2x by 2 is x. What we have to prove? The greatest area. If area is maximum, rectangle becomes a square. Area is equal to x into y. A of x is equal to x L by 2 minus x. Multiply. What happened? Multiply பண்ணி பாருங்க. A of x is equal to Lx by 2 minus x. இதான் sum. இனிமேல் உங்களுக்கு ப்ரொசீஜர் தெரியும் இல்லையா? என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க? வெரி குட். A dash of x. A dash of x எப்படி எழுதிங்க பாருங்க? L by 2 minus 2x. What is the next step பண்ணுங்க? A dash of x equal to 0. அதுவும் ஓகே. அப்ப என்ன எழுதிங்க? L by 2 equal to 2x. X is equal to L by 4. What is the next step? A double dash of x. A double dash of x என்ன பண்ணணும்? Differentiate. Here there is no x, 0. Minus 2x differentiation is how much? Minus 2. Positive or negative? Negative. Negative or the meaning? Area is maximum. Greatest area. Area is maximum when L is equal to, x is equal to L by 4. So this is the length of rectangle. What is the breadth of rectangle? Y is equal to L by 2 minus L by 4. Y equal to L by 2 minus x. Half minus quarter. Quarter. So x and y are same. X is equal to y is equal to L by 2. If length and breadth are same, rectangle becomes a square. The greatest area of rectangle is square. நான் பண்ணிருக்கோம் பாருங்க. போன சமக்கு இதுக்கு என்ன டிஃபரன்ஸ்னா ஏரியா given in the perimeter. L is equal to 2x plus 2y. 2y equal to L minus 2x. Y equal to L by 2 minus x. A of x, x into y. That is x into L by 2 minus x. A of A dash of A dash of x. So then the formula same model ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ப்ராப்ளம் அந்த லென்ஸ் வந்து 2400 கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. நீங்க ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. சம் நம்பர் 5. சம் நம்பர் 5 பார்ப்போம். Find the dimensions of rectangle, largest area that can be inscribed in a circle of radius r. நான் சொல்றேன் பாருங்க, ஒரு சர்க்கிள். இந்த சர்க்கிள்ல draw one rectangle. Just and consider P, Q, R, X. What is the radius of circle? R. Already we studied the parametric representation of circle. Vector algebra cos A minus B, cos A plus B, sin A minus B, sin A plus B को पढ़ते लिया. Cos A comma sin A and B. But the radius is 1 and the radius is R. It makes an angle theta. That's why this point is R cos theta comma R sin theta. Theta वो R sin theta. இது என்ன வரும்? R cos theta. இது R cos theta ना what is this? R cos theta. This is R sin theta ना what is this? R sin theta. ஆனா என்ன வரைக்கும் பாருங்க. RS DB rectangle inside எங்க இருக்காரு? சர்க்கிளுக்குள்ள. Inside in a circle whose radius r. Here, what is the length of rectangle? Length means ds 1 r cos theta plus 1 r cos theta, 2 r cos theta. This is length of rectangle. What is breadth of rectangle? இங்க ஒரு r sin theta வா, இங்க ஒரு r sin theta வா. அப்பனா ஒரு பாருங்க, d2 equal to 2r sin theta. That is breadth. What we have to prove? Find the dimension of rectangle, largest area. You have to find out the area. What is area? Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. What is length? 2r cos theta into 2r sin theta. For adjustment நான் என்ன பண்றேன் பாருங்க, 2 r into r square remaining 2 sin theta cos theta. நான் இங்க 2 into 2 4 போடல, என்ன தெரியுமா? 2 into 2 4 போடல, because we have the formula for 2 sin theta cos theta, that is 2r square sin 2 theta. That's why I keep that 2 as it is. Next, a of theta. A dash of theta means with respect to theta, which is constant, 2r square constant. Cos 2 theta, differentiation of 2 theta is 2, 4r square cos 2 theta. Next, what we have to do? First derivative equal to 0. அங்க என்ன பண்ணுமோ அதே ப்ரொசீஜர், லோக்கல் மேக்ஸிமம் மினிமம் என்ன ப்ரொசீஜர்? a of theta, a dash of theta, a dash of theta equal to 0. equal to 0 வரும்போது கான்ஸ்டன்ட் விட்டுருங்க, cos 2 theta equal to 0. Also, எந்த வேல்யூ for 0 வரும்? because it lies in first quadrant. Theta lies in first quadrant. That's why 2 theta equal to 90 degrees, theta equal to 5 by 4. Not 90 only 0. 2 theta equal to 5, 2 theta equal to 5 by 4. Next, we have to verify either it is maxima or minima. How can you verify? That is a double dash of theta. A double dash of theta. என்ன வரும் பாருங்க, 4r square constant, cos 2 theta differentiation is minus sin 2 theta into 2 minus 8r square sin 2 theta. Then you have to substitute theta equal to 5 by 4 minus 8r square sin 2 pi by 4 is 5 by 2. 2 pi by 4 is 5 by 2 minus 8r square negative. Therefore, area of rectangle inside in a circle of radius r is maximum. Area of rectangle is maximum when theta equal to pi by 4. But they are length and breadth of the rectangle. So, length of rectangle equal to 2r cos theta oda value pi by 4. 2r 1 by root 2, that is root 2r. Breadth of rectangle 2r sin 5 by 4. This is also 2r into 1 by root 2, that is root 2r. Length and breadth are equal. Therefore, in this case also, the maximum area of rectangle, then rectangle becomes a square. Maximum rectangle is a square. மறுபடியும் கவனிங்க, இந்த இடம் தான் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். Any point on the circle, parametric representation already you studied in 11th standard itself. R cos theta, R sin theta. This length is r sin theta. That's why this is also r sin theta. This is r cos theta. This is r cos theta. Therefore, length equal to 2r cos theta. Breadth equal to 2r sin theta. Then area of rectangle length into breadth 2r cos theta into 2r sin theta, that is r square into 2 sin theta cos theta, a of theta equal to 2r square, 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta, a dash of theta 2r square cos 2 theta into 2, that is 4r square cos 2 theta, a dash of theta equal to 0 means cos 2 theta equal to 0, therefore 2 theta equal to 90, theta equal to 5 by 4, a double dash of theta once again differentiate up to theta equal to 5 by 4, sin 5 by 2 value is 1 minus 8r square, bracket q, therefore area of rectangle is maximum, theta equal to 5 by 4, L equal to root 2r plus equal to root 2r. இதே மாதிரி ஒரு எக்ஸாம்பிள் சம் உங்க புக்ல கொடுத்துருக்காங்க பாருங்க. எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்பர் 5.54. சம் பார்த்தீங்களாப்பா? கோத்ரூ பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? அப்படி பண்ணியாச்சா? எக்ஸாம்பிள் என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா சேம் பட் செமி சர்க்கிள். செமி சர்க்கிள்னா சேம் கொஸ்டின் செமி சர்க்கிள். அப்ப இங்க ஆறு காஸ் தீட்டா வருமா? இங்க ஒரு ஆறு காஸ் தீட்டா வருமா? என்ன எழுதலாம் பாருங்க. length 2r cos theta, breadth 2r sin theta. இங்க என்ன எழுதுங்க? செமி சர்க்கிள். இங்க என்ன வரும்? இந்த 2 போயிடுமா? இங்க என்ன ஆகும்? இந்த 2 போயிடுமா? அப்ப இங்க என்ன வரும்? இந்த 2 போயிடுமா? இங்க என்ன வரும்? இந்த 2 போயிடுமா? அப்ப இங்க என்ன வரும்? 2r cos 2 theta வந்துருமா? இதுல எதனா சேஞ்ச் வருமா? வராது. இங்க என்ன வந்திருக்கு? 2r 2 into 2 நாவும் 4 இங்க என்ன வரும்? 4 இங்க 4. Here there is no change. Here r by root 2. They ask area. Area equal to root 2r into r equal to r square. Same question. Instead of circle, semi. இந்த ஒரு வார்த்தை மட்டும் தான் மாறி இருக்கு. லென்த்ல 2r cos theta, breadth r sin theta. எவ்வளவு சிம்பிளா ஒரே நிமிஷத்துல போட்டு பாருங்க. நீங்க எவ்வளவு நேரத்துல போடுறீங்க பார்க்கலாமா? அப்படி பண்ணீங்களா? அழகா போடுவீங்களா? அப்படி பண்ணிக்கலாமா? அடுத்தது பாருங்க, சில எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் இருக்கு. அடுத்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் ரொம்ப முக்கியமான எக்ஸாம்பிள் நான் நினைக்கிறேன். இதே மாதிரி தான் எல்லா எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஈக்குவேஷன் கண்டுபிடிங்க. எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்பர் 5.55. The top and bottom margins of the poster are each 6 cm and the margin each 4 cm. Side margin 4 cm. Top and இப்போ வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஒரு poster. இது பிரிண்ட் பண்ணிருக்கிற ஏரியா, பிரிண்டட் ஏரியா. இதனுடைய வேல்யூ எவ்வளவு? 384 கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. லென்த் ஆஃப் பிரிண்டட் ஏரியா எக்ஸ், பிரெத் ஆஃப் பிரிண்டட் ஏரியா. போஸ்டர்னா சுத்தி ஒரு மார்ஜின் வரும் இல்லையா? டாப் மார்ஜின் ஒரு 6 சென்டிமீட்டர் சொல்லிட்டாங்க, பாட்டம் 6, side 4, side 4. These are the data given in the problem. What they ask? Find the dimensions of the poster with the smallest area. போஸ்டரோட ஏரியா ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுங்க. என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்க பாருங்க, எக்ஸ் லென்த் ஆஃப் பிரிண்டட் ஏரியா, ஒய் லென்த் ஆஃப் breadth of printed area. Area of printed area xy equal to 384. Y is equal to 384 by x. Next, length of poster. Length of poster. பாருங்க, இங்க ஒரு x, இங்க ஒரு 4, அங்க ஒரு 4, x plus 8. Breadth of poster. Y, top 1 6, bottom 1 6, y plus 6, 6 plus 6, 12. Area of poster. Area of poster equal to A equal to x plus 8 into y plus 12. x plus 8 into y plus 12. Now, but we know that what is y? A of x is equal to x plus 8 into, that is 384 by x plus 12. Multiply 384 plus 12x plus 8 into 384 by x. 12 8s are 96. A of x is equal to 12x, 8 into 384, 8 into 384 by x plus 480. This is the equation. No need to multiply and don't waste your time. A dash of x. Procedure adu பிறகு same தானே? A dash of x என்ன பண்ணீங்க? 12 x goes to numerator plus 8 into minus 384 by x square. That is A dash of x equal to 0. 12 equal to 8 into 384 by x square. X square equal to 8 into 384 by 12. Then simplify. What is that? Multiply and simplify 12. 2 table, 3 table. 3, 1, 2, 6. Multiply. 2 table, 3 table. 8. That is 256. X is equal to plus or minus 16. Length always positive. X equal to 16. Can't be negative. A double dash of x. 12 differentiation is 0. Plus 8. 2 multiply numerator. Minus 2. Minus of minus. 2 4s are 8. 16. 2 3s are 6. 7 divided by x cube. A double dash of 16. 8 into 768 by 16 cube. Anyhow, positive, 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 therefore positive. No need to simplify. Don't waste the time. Therefore, area of poster is maximum when x is equal to 16. Substitute x is equal to 16 here. Y equal to 384 by 16, that is 24. But they are not asking x and y. You have to find out length of poster and breadth of poster. Length of poster equal to x plus 8, that is 16 plus 8 equal to 24. Breadth of poster, that is y plus 12. 24 plus 12, 36 centimeter. மறுபடியும் கவனிங்கப்பா. First, ஒரு poster. Length of poster is x. Breadth of poster is y. இங்க ஒரு 6, அங்க ஒரு 6. Side margin 4 plus 4. Area of printed area xy equal to 34. Y equal to 384 by x. Length of poster x plus 8. Because 4 plus 4. Breadth of poster y plus 6 plus 6 y plus 12. Area of poster A x plus 8 into y plus 12. Y equal to 384 by x. Multiply. You will get this result. A dash of x. A dash of x equal to 0. Simplify, will get x is equal to plus or minus 16. Length always positive. A double dash of x. Simplify, will get the result. Positive means area of poster is maximum illa minimum. Here careful, is not maximum, minimum at x is equal to 16. Y equal to 384 by 16, 24. நான் வேணுனே மேக்ஸிமம் எழுதினேன். ஒருத்தர் கூட கண்டுபிடிக்கல பாருங்க. இது மாதிரி எக்ஸாம்ல எழுத விடாது. மினிமம். லென்த் ஆஃப் போஸ்டர், பிரெத் ஆஃப் போஸ்டர். ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம் பாருங்க இந்த கிளாஸ்ல. லோக்கல் மேக்ஸிமம் அண்ட் மினிமம். What is the procedure? Given f of x, f dash of x, f dash of x equal to 0, critical number, f double dash of x, positive means minimum, negative means maximum, then find out the minimum value, maximum value in f of x. In application problem, first read the question carefully, understand the problem. ப்ராப்ளத்தை அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா உடனடியா டயக்ராம் வரைகிறோம். டயக்ராம்ல இருந்து என்ன டேட்டா கொடுத்துருக்குறாங்களோ கன்வெர்ட் டூ வேரியபிள்ஸ் ஆஸ் சிங்கிள் வேரியபிள்ஸ். சிங்கிள் வேரியபிளா மாத்திட்ட பிறகு ஃபார்ம் ஈக்குவேஷன். ஈக்குவேஷன் ஃபார்ம் பண்ண பிறகு we can use either absolute maximum minima or local maximum minima. In my point of view, local maximum minima is easier than absolute maximum minima. So local maximum minima, once again the same procedure, first derivative equal to 0, find the value of x, substitute in second derivative is positive means minimum, second derivative is negative means maximum, then find out the minimum value and the maximum value. Is clear? That's all. Same way you have to solve all the problems. Okay, the application problem definitely will expect 1 10-mark question in the application problem. All the problems same method. Clear? Shall we go? The remaining part we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you. See you in the next class. Nagi sir.